In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Squarespace template. By the end, you'll know how to turn a finished site into a reusable copy you can share or hand off while keeping your original safely untouched. Start by creating your website the way you normally would. Build out your pages, set your navigation, apply your site styles, and add any demo content you want your template to include. Think of this original site as your master version. It should reflect the layout, fonts, colors, and basic page structure you want to reuse. If you plan to share the template, it's a good idea to keep content generic and remove anything personal or client-specific so the copy is clean and ready for someone else to customize. Once your website is created, head to your account dashboard. This is where Squarespace lists every site you own or have access to. You can get there from the main menu or your account menu. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct site card, especially if you manage multiple projects. On the site you want to templatize, look for the three dots icon on its card. Click that menu and choose Duplicate. Squarespace will generate a separate copy of your site. This usually takes just a moment. The duplicate will mirror your original site's design, pages, and overall structure, which is exactly what you want for a template. You may also see options to adjust the new site's name or basic details, which can help you keep things organized if you plan to create multiple templates. With the duplicate created, you can now use that copy to share access or transfer ownership, while your original stays intact. This is perfect for handing off a site to a collaborator or client, or simply preserving a clean master you can reuse again and again. Handing off the duplicate means whoever takes it over can make changes freely, without affecting your original. Before you wrap up, it's smart to quickly review the duplicate to ensure everything is in place. While the structure and styling carry over, integrations, custom code, commerce data, or third-party connections may require a fresh setup on the new copy. Treat the duplicate as a ready-to-customize starting point, and keep your original as the master reference. And there you go. You've created a practical Squarespace template by duplicating a completed site, giving yourself a reliable, reusable foundation you can share or transfer as needed without risking your original work.